Now let us start question number 5, in which there are many parts given. Total 12 parts are given, and in these each part we have to write, and we have to write that given part is monomial, binomial or trinomial, means the expressions are given. So we have to name them: monomial, binomial and trinomial. So out of those 3 parts I am telling you, they are very simple. You can do definitely yourself. So let us start. The first part I have written is 4y minus 7z. You can see in this expression there are 2 terms, 1, 2. So what is the name of this type of expression? That is binomial. So we can write here binomial. You need to write only this much. The second part is y square. Here you can see there is only one expression. So in this expression there is only one term. So you can say it as a monomial. You just need to write the names. In the third part, there are total 1, 2 and 3. Means in this given expression there are 3 terms. So you can write here as trinomial, because there are 3 terms. So in this manner you can complete all the parts of this question. Now let us start question number 6. In the question number 6, the question is state whether a given pair of terms is of like term or unlike term, in which there are the 6 parts are given, and in every part there is a pair given. Fine. So though that given pair, you need to tell it is like term or unlike term. So like term, as you know, if they have same algebraic factor, then that is like term, and if they have different algebraic factors, so they are unlike terms. So out of those 6 parts, I am telling you 2 parts. So first part is in which given 1 and 100. You can see here is no x, no y, nothing is here. So no algebraic factor in both the given terms. So we can write what terms are there? They are like terms, because they have only constants. Both of them are. Now in the 5th part you can see here m square. The algebraic factors is there are in the first term this is the algebraic factor, in the second term this is the algebraic factor. So is it same? Here m square means 2 m's are there and 1 p, and here the p are 2 and m is 1, means they are different. They have different algebraic factors. So we can write them as unlike terms. They are not like, means unlike term. In the similar manner you can do all the parts. Now students, we have left with only one question of 12.1, that is question 7. Identify like terms in the following. There are 2 parts of this question. The first part I am telling you, and the second part you have to do in the similar manner but yourself. So I have written all the expressions which are given here, and we need to write the like terms from the given terms actually, because the single terms are given, so we can say these are terms, and the expressions as well. So we have to write only about the like terms. Now let us start writing them. So first term is this. Let us write minus xy square, and if I am starting it from this, and if I like the same, means with the same algebraic factor, if we find the another term, we will write here. Fine. So xy square means 2 y's are here and 1 is x. So let us move to the second term, that is y x square. So it is not similar to that, so let us write it separately. Now x square, it is again separate from the other 2. So I am writing it 8x square separately. Now 2xy square. Now you can see here is x and y square. 2 y's are there, similar. So can we say these are the like terms? Yes, we can say these are the like terms. So we can write this along with this. Okay. So now next is 7y. So it is not it is different one. It is not same with the already counted terms. So we can write it separately, 7y. Now next is minus 11x square. So here we have written x square. You can see this and this term, they have same algebraic factors, means these 2 are like terms. So we can write it along with the 8x square, because they are like. Now you can see minus 100x. So here is no term of x till now. So we can write separately minus 100x. Now we are here. Minus 11yx. Have we written any xy or yx? No. So we can write it again separately, 11 by x. Now move to the next one, that is 20x square y. X square y. Now you can see here this and this. Now one more thing that you need to understand with this is, here x square is written first and y is written later. Here y is written first and x square, but then also they are like terms because we can change them. We can change the place as you have done according to the commutative property. So it doesn't make any difference. These are also like, because two x's are here and one is y. So these two are like terms. So I am writing it here with this 20x square y. Fine. Now next let us move to minus 6x square. So have we written the x square term earlier? Yes, it is here. So we can write along with this. Now next is y. So y we have already written. So it is similar to this, means this is like terms. Now 2xy. Xy term we have written, yes. Here we have written yx and here is xy. This it is similar to this, minus 11yx, 2xy. So algebraic factors are same in these two terms, means these two are like terms. So we can write here with this. And last is 3x. So we have written minus 100x here, so 3x will come here. So in this manner, now separate it with the semicolon, all the terms. Now these are the different pairs, and even here are 3, these are all the like terms. You can also write in the similar manner, and remember second part you have to do yourself in the same way. A new topic we're going to start, and that is adding and subtracting like terms. How can we add and subtract the like terms? The sum or difference of two like terms is a like term. Means if you subtract or if you add the like terms, the result will also be the like term. Is a like term with coefficient. Now the coefficient will change after adding or subtracting the two like terms. This coefficient will be equal to the sum or difference of coefficients of two like terms. Means the two like terms which we have taken, the result is always equals to the addition if we are doing the sum, or if we are doing the difference, it is the result is the difference of the two coefficients actually, and the algebraic factor will remain the same as it is in the like term. So let us take two examples for this. One is for addition. First example, if we add these two like terms, suppose one is 4x and second is 3x. If we add, so the coefficient here is 4, here is 3. So we will add these coefficients, the answer will be 7. And this algebraic factor will remain the same. So the result will be 7x. Secondly, if we subtract 4x minus 3x, same terms we have taken, but we took the negative sign this time, means we are subtracting one term from the another. Then we have to subtract the coefficients, means 4 minus 3, the result is 1, and the algebraic factor will remain the same. So 1 multiplied by x is nothing but the x. So in this way we can add and subtract the like terms. Now one important point, student, that is subtracting a term is the same as adding its inverse. What does it mean? Means suppose take two terms. I am taking, one is 7x, this is one term, and second term suppose I am taking minus 4x. Okay, so any two terms you can take. And now subtracting a term means if we want to subtract this from this, then how can we write? In this way, and the answer will be, if we open the bracket it will become plus, then the answer is 11x. Okay, so this is just simple subtraction. Subtracting a term is same as the adding its inverse. So we can add its inverse. So inverse of 4x will be, inverse of minus 4x will be 4x. So if we add its inverse to this, the result will be same. The answer is 11x. You can see in both cases the result is same. So you need to keep this point in your mind always that subtracting a term is the same as adding its inverse. Now students, let us start exercise 12.2. The first question is simplify combining like terms. So in this question 6 parts are given and I am going to tell you 2 parts, second and fourth. Rest parts you have to do yourself. And in this question we have to just simplify by combining the like terms. Combining means when it is required you can add or you can subtract according to the signs which are given. So let us start with the second part. So the second part is minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z is given. Now keep all the points which I am telling you in your mind. When you are going to start solving this question, it is always important to put the equal to sign in every step you do. And always here it is given that you have to combine the like term, but if it is not given, then also you can combine only like terms, means you cannot add or subtract. Suppose z square is given, so you cannot add z square in z. You can only add the like terms or the subtract also the like terms. So let us start solving it. First of all, it is giving minus z square. First of all, we will just collect the like terms together. These two are together, so we can keep them as it is. And this like term minus 15z is not with this, so we have to keep it with this and then this. Now you can see the like terms are together. This is only single one. Now you can solve it. Minus z square plus 13z square. So here is nothing, means it is 1. So 13 minus 1 is 12. Coefficient we are writing as we have just done. How to do this? We have to solve according to the coefficients and the algebraic factor will remains the same. So this will be the answer. Here after solving, as both signs are negative, so here it comes 20z minus 20z, because both signs are negative, so minus 5 minus 15 will become minus 20 and the algebraic factor is z only, that will remain same, plus 7z cube. So this will be the answer. Now this is standard form we used to write. This is also right, but in standard form we can write always with the term which is having more power, like this is power, so z cube, so 3 z's are here, so I am writing this as first. Secondly, I am writing z square. It's just a standard notation we used to write it. You can also write in this manner. So this will be the answer. Now after this, let us start solving the fourth part of the same question, question number 1. So let us start solving. Here also, first of all, we need to open this bracket. After that, we will rearrange the terms. As there is a negative sign outside the bracket, and you know already that if negative sign is there outside the bracket, it will change the sign inside the bracket. So this A is positive, it becomes negative, then it becomes positive, then it becomes negative. Then I'm just writing them as it is. Now again the same thing, we are rearranging the terms in a manner to put all the like terms together. So first is 3a. So a, I'm searching the next a. This we have written. Now I'm writing minus a. Next a term is this minus a. So I'm writing minus a. Fine. So next is I'm writing the b with the algebraic factor minus 2b. We have written next b is this. And after this we can write this plus b. Now the third is ab. Hence algebraic factor is ab. So minus ab. Then this is also minus ab plus 3ab. So all. You can even count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will help you that you can count that you have written all the terms or not. And why I am putting underline? Because we can remember that we have taken these terms already in writing this. Now let us start solving it. Now 3a minus a minus a. You know minus a minus a become 2a minus 2a. Even you can write it in this manner first and then solve it. Minus 2b plus b will become plus 2b minus 2ab, it will become minus ab will become minus 2ab plus 3ab. Now you can solve further. 3a minus 2a will become only a, 1a or a. So I am writing a only, and minus 2b and plus 2b, they will become 0, so no need to write it, and it becomes 0b. Even first if you want to write, you can write 0b and then later in the next step you can remove, or you can directly remove. And next is minus 2ab plus 3ab. So after solving it, it becomes ab only, or you can write 1 dot ab. In next step you can remove this one. So here at end we can write a plus ab. So this will be the answer after solving. Now students, let us start question number 2 of 12.2. In this there are 10 parts in total. I am going to tell you about the 2 parts, and rest is definitely you have to do. It is for your practice. So we will do the second and the 5th part. And let us start. In this question you have to add the terms, or even the algebraic expressions are given. So we need to add these algebraic expressions, and let us do it how to do. Okay, first is t minus 8tz, second is 3tz minus z, and third z minus 3. Z minus t, these 3 algebraic expressions are given. So let us start adding. So first of all we will write the expression as it is, just putting the addition sign along with them. Okay, we have done this addition, and now again the same, we need to just rearrange the terms as per the like terms together. Okay, now first is t here, and then you have to search out for the next t, that is minus t. Now second term is with the tz, so minus 8tz, this is also. So I am just putting the likes term together. Now after this I am putting z plus z. Now you can see all the like terms are together. Now we can solve it. T minus t becomes 0, so no need to write it. Now if we solve it, it becomes minus 5tz, and minus z plus z again becomes 0. So this is the answer. Okay, now the 5th part. In this you can see 1, 2 and 3. These expressions are given and you have to add them. Now this question I will tell you with 2 methods. One, the simple row method as we have done the part 2, and second method to solve the same question is the column method. I will tell you both the methods, but you can do any of the 2 methods, any of the 1 method out of the 2 in each question. It is not necessary that you do only this method or do this. You can do any 1 method for each question, which you find easier. Okay, so let us start this with the simple row method. Now I am doing the same thing as I am writing the algebraic expression, and then put the addition sign in between them as we need to add them. So you can see, suppose the space is over here, so I am continuing in the next row. Okay, after this I will put the equal to sign. Equal to sign always show that this will this is the one row, and second row, the second step will be here. Now again the same thing, you have to rearrange the terms as the like terms are together. So first is x, so 14x. Search out for the next x, this minus 7x, no x is there, more. And now next is 10y, so you can write plus 10y. Second y term is this minus 10y, and rest is not there. Now the third is minus 12xy, and now search for the next xy term, that is plus 8xy plus 4xy. After this, these are the constant. Now you can write these constants together, minus 13 plus 18, and rest terms are already written. Now just solve them. You can see these two are together, so 14x minus 7x will become 7x, and 10y minus 10y, they will become 0, so no need to write it. Minus 12xy plus 8xy. Now you can think of, you can directly even write minus 12xy is separate. 8xy and 4xy will become 12xy. So 12xy positive and 12xy negative will become 0. So I am not writing it. If you want to write, you can write plus 0 as it becomes 0. Now after solving, minus 13 plus 18 will become plus 5. So lastly the answer is 7x plus 5. Now we have to see, will the same answer come in the column method also? So let us see. Definitely it will come same. The methods are different, but the result will come out to be same. So how to do this column method? First of all, you have to write one algebraic term which is given at the top. Suppose the first term which is given is 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13. Okay, first term. This is the second algebraic expression, not the term actually. This is the algebraic expression. Second algebraic expression is this. Now listen it very carefully that how you need to write. Now in the second algebraic expression, you need not write as it is same. Suppose this is as it is 18, it's a constant. So you need to put the constant under the constant. So as 18, no sign is there, it means it is positive. So I am writing plus 18 here. Next is minus 7x. So you have to write this under the same like term. So this is minus 7x, you can write under the x. Now next is minus 10y. So that will come here. So this thing is really important in this method, that you can put under the another like term. So the algebraic factor should be same for both these terms. Now after this 8xy is left, so you can write 8xy here. Okay. Now the third algebraic expression is 4xy. So 4xy, you can see only this is the xy term only, so we can write 4xy here, which is positive. You can write positive. Now the three things are blank here. We don't have any like term in this expression. So what we can do, we can write 0 x. You can write if you want 0y means nothing is there, or 0. So that it will become easy to addition. You will not get confused. So now simple solution as you used to do the subtraction and the addition. Now plus 18 minus 13, the answer is plus 5. Now next is, you can see 8xy, again the same thing as we have done in the row method. So it will become 0. So I am just writing plus 0. xy you can write if you want, and this will again cancel it. You can write 0y. Or here again it will come 7x, 14 minus 7x, 14x minus 7x is 7x. And you can just write it again 7x plus 5. This will be the answer after solving. Now you can see with the row method we were having 7x plus 5, and with the column method 7x plus 5 means we are having the same answer after solving this question with the two different methods.